Good day, guys. This is what we call zone to zone strategy, zone to zone indicator. So, guys, this indicator is for free. You inbox me, I give you the indicator. You only pay me to tell you on how to use this indicator. The amount of money that you pay is only 100 rand. If you are in South Africa, you pay 100 rand, but if you are from in other countries, you are forced to pay 200 due to charges. So it's one of the best, guys. We have what we call zone to zone indicator. It does all the work for you. It analyzes the market, give you the sell signal, and the take profits. It does everything for you. So guys, what you need to do is only WhatsApp me on the number that you see on the screen. WhatsApp me on the number that you see on the screen to get this amazing indicator. I'm giving it out for free. What you pay, you only pay on how to use this amazing indicator. That's what you pay. So guys, I want to show you the result produced by this indicator on all real accounts and on all. I just want to show you real accounts and today results only. I don't want to go far. I just want to show you that. I don't want to show you screenshot. I want to show you live account so that you guys can see. I have 3 accounts that I was trading with this strategy, and I've made good profit using this indicator. So what you have to do is to WhatsApp me, get the indicator, pay only 100 rand, only 100 rand to get this amazing indicator. I will teach you on how to use this indicator and the times that you must use this indicator so that you become a successful trader and profitable. So this is the first account, guys, that let me do like this so that you can see the whole process. So this is the first account with no loss, guys. Since I started using this, I can even try to go to last month. You will see I started using this indicator recently. So as you can see, we were able to make a profit of 3,475. This is what we have, guys. Let me put it here so that you can see. This is a real account. This is a real account, guys. So if you're interested in getting this, know that you're gonna make this kind of profit. Let's go to another account. You can see this one, it has 9,000. Let's go to, so as you can see, this account has 10,000. This is a real account, guys. As you can see, this is the money that we were able to make with that indicator. So if you're interested, guys, make sure you can see, guys, you can see, look at this, look at the profits, look at the real profits, guys, real profits with no loss since we started. You can check the dates, check the dates, 14, 13. You can see 20 from 20, 21, 23, 22. You can see. So we made 3,900, close to 4,000 profit. So let's go to another one. This is a small account. As you can see, 3,000, a real account, guys, real account, 3,000. As you can see, no loss since we started from 22, 18, 19, 22, 21, 23. So you can see close to 2,000 profit over there. So guys, you can read, as you can see, guys, as you can see, you can really make money. You just have to have a good strategy. As you can see, no loss. Just traded 1 day on this one, no loss, and took out 330 quick cash. So you can make money. You just need to have the right strategy. So as you can see, this is the big boss one, guys. Since we started, no loss. This is the big boss one. So yeah, you can see, guys, we left with 17 since we started, no loss. So make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook so that you can be able to get amazing strategy. This indicator will really help you to make money. WhatsApp me on the number that you see now on the screen. Make sure that you get the indicator. The indicator is for free. You pay 100 rand if you are in South Africa for me to teach you on how to use the indicator, and you pay 200 if you are from other countries, for me to teach you on how to use the indicator. Simple. Thank you.